Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very great. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Nigerian jollof rice. You can prepare it. It's very simple, and we're going to start by telling you the ingredients that we are going to use. I would like you to check the description box for the recipe that I'm going to use today, and please don't forget to send in your comments if you have anything to say about this. If you have any contribution to make, please, I would gladly have it in the comment section. I would also like you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to press the notification buttons so that you get information and you get alert concerning my various videos that will be coming very soon. You will enjoy very good recipes I'm going to be sharing with you. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. Let's get started. Guys, let's get started. This is the pot I'm going to be using today. It's a deep pot. It's always good to cook jollof rice with a deep pot. So this is a deep pot, something deep. I don't usually parboil my rice. I soak it with very boiled water for about 15 minutes, and then you wash it and drain it. It's already drained. You see, it's dry, it's drained. We are going to check it to be sure. Yeah, now it is hot. It's ready for me to start pouring the ingredients. Now the first ingredients to pour into this oil is the onions. I'm going to take some of this then I'm going to pour in the we have to add other ingredients at this stage. Like I told you before, the tomato paste is a very, very important ingredient in this jollof rice. It brings out the color, the orange color that everybody loves to see. The very, very inviting orange color that the jollof rice usually has. So yeah, I'm going to put the seasoning cubes, part of it, and then part of the crayfish. Cover again. Now we are going to put part of the curry powder and the thyme or rosemary, as the case may be, as you like it. Put your spices to taste. Now it's going to boil for like 5 minutes. I'm adding the meat stock. Usually, I love to sieve. It's better to sieve it. After sieving the meat stock, you stir and leave to boil. When it has boiled, you now pour your rice in it. Now we are going to leave it to boil for like 10 minutes. It's boiling. It's time to add the rice. You have to reduce the heat so that you don't burn yourself. Then you start putting the rice gradually. Put it and stir. Put some quantity and stir. I have to stir now with a wooden spatula. Wooden spatula is very important in the preparation of jollof rice. You add little quantity and you stir. Like I told you before, the rice has to be soaked for some time with hot water. Don't parboil it. Wash it, drain it, and make sure it is dry. You can see the rice is dry. You add and you stir. You add going to put the dried onions, sticks of dried onions, and then sliced raw onions. I add it, open it up, add it. I add when it's almost ready, I add my tomato. Now we're going to taste it and see if it is okay. If not, we add little salt. I think it's just okay now. Time to cover it up with aluminium foil paper. Jollof rice needs to be steamed. It's the steam that really makes it to give you a good result. You can. Hi guys, I want to add the fat, butter, margarine. It helps us to prevent the rice from getting burnt and from sticking together. So from now on, you reduce the heat. Yeah, you reduce the heat, and then our jollof rice after like 15 minutes. You see, yeah, don't stir too much, just raise it like this. You see what I'm doing? From the bottom to the top, you raise it. When you check your jollof rice, also determines whether you get good results. Don't stir it as in turning around, just lift it up from the bottom, and then that's it. You lift it up from the bottom and then take it to the side. Lift the center up, take it to the side. Lift the side up, take it towards the center. Just like I'm doing. It's very important. This technique is very important. I hope you are getting what I'm doing. You put your spatula, lift the rice up from the bottom, take it to the side. Lift it up from the bottom, take it to the side. Again from the bottom, take it to the side. This is a very important step in the preparation of jollof rice. And so now it's time to put the sliced tomato. Now we want to check our rice. You can see the smoke there. That's the steam coming out. You see? See how it's looking already? Oh my gosh. Now the same, you don't stir. You turn your jollof rice. You push it up. Push your spoon up and to the side. You put your spatula. Again, you turn it to the side. Keep heaping the rice from bottom to side, from side to side, like so. This is very, very important technique. Want to check it again to know whether we still have to leave it for some time. Like I said, this technique is very important. You don't stir, just keep it to one side, heap the rice to the other side. Final turning or packing of the rice. You pack it to one side. You see, the rice is ready. Very, very. My God, the aroma is wonderful. My goodness, my God, this is nice. This is it. I will show you when I have already set it on the table for consumption. My goodness, I can't wait to eat it. Jollof rice. You see the orange color rice? Ready. Then you leave it, you open it up and allow it to cool down before putting it in your cooler or wherever you are serving it. Leave it like this to cool. This is it. I hope you like the color. Please do stay tuned with me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and then press that bell button so that you have notification of any time I upload new videos. This is nice. It's time to test the food, to have a taste of it. Wow. And to have a taste of what we have just cooked and put together. Oh my gosh. This is nice. Oh my God. It has that smoky taste. Wow. This is the oven baked spicy chicken. I hope you will like it if you prepare it for yourself. I'm going to be talking about this oven baked spicy chicken preparation in another of my video. I'm going to tell you how to prepare it. In short, if you take a bite of it, you can never stop eating it. You see the garnishing with the different colors of pepper. It's so nice. I want to taste it. Let me have a bite of. My goodness. This is nice. I can't stop eating it. Once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is African jollof rice. This is the chicken I'm going to serve with it. I want you to try it. try the recipe out and you will never forget to continue hitting the like button and subscribing. Thank you for watching and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye.